Leaders in primary care are facing huge challenges right now, both within their own practices and within the system in which they work. Patient demand, overwhelming workload, expectations are all creating an environment in which staff are overwhelmed.
Whatever scenario our staff are finding themselves in, the stress levels are higher than they have been in the past.
It's been extremely busy. The pressure on pharmacy was really very tremendous. Apart from clearly dealing with the anxiety of the patients who couldn't access their surgeries, we had to look after our own staff, adjust to the new ways of working.
Firstly, I just wanted to let you know that we care about you. Whatever your background, whatever your role is within primary care, you matter.
We know that in primary care you have very, very little time. And there are loads and loads of free resources out there which you could access. It's often difficult to know which of these resources will be helpful, which of them are targeted at healthcare, and actually how long they're going to take, and will they be appropriate for use in your practice. We know that you don't need just more and more wellbeing resources, you need the right resources, and you also need resources that are really easy to access, that are short, and that really get to the point.
Our We Care Together website is one place where you can go and you can access the very best resources that we've curated for you. We've put them in one place so that it's really easy for you to access them.
I think having a portal for addressing mental health concerns would be hugely beneficial. Just knowing who we can turn to on those days, even when we're stressed and have no one to talk to.
I'd like to really encourage you to access that website and to use the resources and to tell us how it was for you and whether the resources that we've made available meet your needs now and into the future.
The Resilient Team Academy is an online membership which helps busy leaders in health and social care support their teams for wellbeing, take control over their time and workload, and respond better to stressful events. So why should you sign up for the Resilient Team Academy? We know that these tools work in primary care because we have used them with teams around the country. The Resilient Team Academy will help you make the time and headspace you need to think about these issues. It will give you targeted resources to have better one-to-one conversations with people in your team and to have better team meetings. The aim is that it helps leaders and their teams beat burnout and work happier so that people stay in their jobs, have better patient outcomes and are thriving in life and work. If you're a leader in healthcare right now, I would love you to join us in the Resilient Team Academy.
They're available for everybody in practice. Now, that's not just people who are involved in the testing of eyes, it's our business managers and receptionists and our dispensing staff.
I feel that the Health and Wellbeing project would be really beneficial to everybody in the dental team.
We spend so much time looking after other people's health that we forget about our own.
There are so many demands on our time, on our energy at the moment. So anything that we can make it, that will make it easier for them to access the help they need in a convenient manner has got to be a good thing. We need to look after ourselves, we need to look after each other so that we can then do our jobs better.